Hello viewers, I'm Shalini Bindra and I follow Ricky Chadda Astro Healer on YouTube. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Ricky Chadda from Astro Healer channel. So we are just about to say a goodbye to 2021, and there we have the new year just approaching, and I am here to give you some forecast for the month of January, which I normally do every month. I have already given you the forecast, or you can say prediction, for 2022 for all lagnas and all rashis. If you haven't seen it, just check with the I button. Now, before I go into the month of January, the new year, let us understand what is the planetary movement in that particular month. And according to the planetary positions, then how it is going to have an impact on each lagna or each moon sign. So we know that Venus from the 6th to the 11th of January shall remain combust, which means it's going to be very close to the sun. Saturn also will go combust on the 12th of January and remain till the 11th of February. On 14th of January, Sun enters into the sign of Capricorn, and so we celebrate as Sankranti, Makar Sankranti. Same day, on the 14th of January itself, you will see Mercury going retrograde in the sign of Capricorn. January 16, 2022, Mars is going to enter into the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury goes combust on the 17th of January and shall remain combust till the 30th of January. 29th of January, Venus, which is going retrograde, shall turn direct in the sign of Sagittarius, and then again it will go back into Capricorn. The most important information that I want to share with you is on the 30th and the 31st of January, we are going to witness a conjunction, a great conjunction of 4 planets. That is what we call as a Grah Yuddha or a Yuddhi. The 4 planets impact also, we need to understand what impact it's going to have on each lagna or each rashi. So based on this planetary movement, I am here to give you the forecast for the month of January. So let's begin with the first sign, Aries. So the first sign is, or first lagna is Aries. Now for Aries, I would say for the month of January, you must plan everything in advance in order to implement things. And you keep a balanced approach as well. I see that you must segregate your work also, so you know which one to give priority to. Maintain balance between your family and your workplace. You may feel a little stressed out in relationship. Relationship could be a little, be some argument, some conflict with your partner. There's a possibility. Also, commitment is going to play a very important role in your relationship. Overall, I see the month is good and you can expect some gain in terms of finance. You need to be very cautious when you're spending money, especially on property or on your family members as well. Try not to get into any legal hassle. Any legal matter, stay a little away from that. In your profession, at your workplace, try to avoid being very aggressive or maybe very argumentative with your seniors or maybe with your boss, colleagues as well. Business, if you are into business, then um I see that you need to be ready to make some change in your plans. Maybe you might get a sudden helping hand from your partner who would also like you know help you out, support you in making these plans changes in the plans. If you are a student, if you are studying, I see, if there is enough hard work behind you, success is guaranteed. Also, you need to be a little careful with your health. Regular exercise has to be maintained because I see certain health issues may come up, and that may put up a challenge in front of you. So it is best I would advise you to stay away from rich, oily, junky food. The next sign is a sign of Taurus. Now, Taurus people, luck is going to favor you. That's the first good news. But try not to be completely dependent on luck, which means you have to put your hard work, your efforts to achieve anything. You will get good results in love and relationship as well. Here also commitment plays very important role. You need to fill that gap which has been created, especially in your marital life. And if you have promised something to your partner, you need to fulfill the promise. If you are dealing into some legal matter, maybe recently, then there are some challenges over here. Business travel would prove to be very beneficial for you, so you will get some gains out of it. I would say try to maintain a very practical approach at your workplace. I see an increment, I see a promotion, I see that there would be some financial help coming also, maybe from your authority, your seniors, your bosses, or boss. If you are into media or writing career, then success is there for you this month of January. See, whenever you are writing a mail or you're receiving a mail, make sure that you double check before sending a message, or double check before when you receive a message, read it twice to gather the correct information. Yes, you may be very much inclined to learn some new language, or even something to do with a religious book, or reading something about mythology, or maybe something alike. Digestion problem would create problem for you, so try to avoid eating from outside or some junk food. See, too much of work for you at your workplace may put you into some stress. So you are advised that whenever you find time, meditate and try to remain fit and healthy. Next sign is a sign of Gemini. Gemini people, I say that you have a peculiarity. You have something in you, and your friends, your colleagues, or they will pick up one of your that habit or some peculiar thing about you, and they will make fun of you. Though those peculiarities also will bring some advantage to you. You may find yourself as a center of attraction. You will not complete a group if you are not present. So you will be the center of attraction. Yes, you may feel a little disturbed with the behavior of your partner or your loved ones. In which case, I would say stay calm, act normal, and just let it be. Try to put restriction on yourself when you're eating or indulging into food, alcohol, or smoking, because this could lead to some issue, and this issue will put some stress on your family members. So try to avoid that. Get rid of some illusions. If you're carrying some illusions or something was haunting you for a long time, stay away from that. It's not required. Just erase it. See some of your some mistakes. You are feeling very guilty from inside that I have hurt someone. This month, maybe the person approaches you and he forgives you, and which will lighten you very much. That okay, the person is back in my life, or I have been forgiven for whatever mistake I've committed. Everyone commits a mistake, so there's nothing so much to get worked up with. Mm. You may also get an opportunity to meet a very warm, stable, strong person who would be you'll feel very affectionate to, and maybe the relation will be a very thick relation, long relation with the person. If you are a student and if you are studying, then you will be scolded, bombarded by your elders, by your parents, because of your attitude, irresponsible behavior, not studying quite well. So the mistake is yours. You have to listen. Nothing. Don't be careless. Next sign is a sign of Cancer. Cancer, you need to broaden your horizon, your experiences, increase your productivity and your performance. This will definitely give a big boost to your career, and believe me, it would be a significant improvement. Yes, you are likely to face some stiff resistance and competition in whatever you are doing. Work hard and dedicate yourself, and whatever the task has been assigned to you, and I'm sure you will be able to very competitively handle the competition. Remain calm, polite approach is needed, and you will overcome all your problems. You can expect some positive response from your client, your customers, and hence your productivity and financial growth would be seen. You may even increase, like your financial uh, growth with lot of your hard work, your sincere efforts, and by the end of the month, you are into a better position. I see you receiving good gains and financial stability, which will make you satisfied. The only thing is, you must have a positive outlook. That is the mantra, I would say. And this mantra is not only for January, this mantra is for the entire year, that you have to keep it open for yourself. You may try to express your ideas more positively and with lot of enthusiasm, which is a good thing, and you must do also. Maybe there are some issues in relationship which may become a little bigger issue, so you must try to resolve it, control it, see what the other person expects out of you. On the whole, I think you will be able to manage the issues very efficiently, and eventually, I see a tremendous success, uh, as well as I see you gaining a quality knowledge with this experience around you. There may be some fluctuation in your health, some ups and downs are there, but gradually you will see that the planets which are moving now, some transits are coming forward, will help you to regain your health into a back. The fitness is there. Next sign is Leo. For Leo, I would say this is going to be a striking period for you. This is a strong. I have a feeling that this a big something big is coming for you. A good time to brush up your communication skills also. If you are into profession, if you are a professional person, enjoy. Keep a happy state of mind, and you should be more than confident that your job and your profession is secured. Yes, regarding health, uh, minor issues, no major problems I see. However, you have to be prepared to take up some new challenges and maintain a good lifestyle. You are likely to gain many opportunity which is coming your way, which will strengthen your financial status. It's a good time if you want to invest money for into something which is for a longer period of time. So long term investment is a good thing for you, which will definitely bring you a very handsome reward later, not in a very near future, but the investment is for a long term. There is a transit of Venus in the month of January, which is also going to support you in your love life. But you may also need to be careful about your partner's emotion and feelings, which you mostly, because you're so much involved into your work that you ignore it, and that creates problem. Some planetary movement also shows progress in your education this month. So if you're a student, it's a good time for you. But again, there are some other planets also which is making you very negligent and very lazy. So you must try to avoid these things. You may not be able to focus on your studies, which is not I will not suggest you. You must take help of your mentors, your teachers, and try to improve. I don't see any health problem for you, but still I would say that you must try not to get overworked, overstressed yourself, and remain fit. And how do you remain fit? By make some physical exercise should be there. The next sign is Virgo. For Virgo people, I see there is a big scope for you for growth in your profession. And in the month of January, things are going to pick up like anything. Rapidly you're growing now. If you are into a business, you are exploring new horizons, you have got new opportunities coming your way. It's a good period where you can carry out your business plans, launch some new products. Also, the impact of Venus also is giving you a good support for your financial growth. Mars, on the other hand, may provoke you to make some ambitious move. So Mars will say, go ahead and do it. You must refrain. You must make sure that before putting your money, your effort, your energy into anything, don't be in haste. See whether everything is in place, and whatever you are investing into, seek advice, take a second opinion, and then go ahead. You may also find some good opportunity for financial growth during the later half of the month also. Your relationship may face some problems because of Mars again. Maybe it is making you very stubborn, very rigid, very dominating, and so there could be some conflict. This month may this month some planets may even help you to take some important decision regarding your education, which will help you to improve your career prospects. Also, I see some planets which are giving you help in improving your stamina and your fitness. Your productivity may increase gradually as the month advances. Your health in general, I would say, will remain in good shape. You need to just take care of your if you were lingering around for a very long time, not paying too much of attention to your health, then I think you should gather yourself back and focus on your health. Next sign is Libra. Now, Libra, patient is the word, the mantra for you, especially when you are mingling or when you are dealing with your siblings. Because possible that you may not understand them, and that while dealing with them, and you may get into a conflict. See, you have your ability, I would say, to face matters very confidently will definitely help you to deal with some harsh situation very patiently. But still, patience is required. Your romantic life is far more like a journey in fantasy world, like, uh, so you are like, thinking of partying, disco, dancing, and so on. Fine, nothing is wrong in it, but just don't be in that trance for a long time. Yes, I would say you are the better judge of yourself, and you can assess the situation better, especially when you enter a social circle. See whether how much can you involve yourself into the social circle. What is the threshold where you're supposed to pull yourself back? Because if you don't, then you when you go with the flow, maybe you go very far off. See, you're finding everything is going very favorable for you. Everything is in favor of you, and all your subordinates and your seniors are also giving you encouragement and getting involved into new projects. But do not take advantage of the situation. You must also efficiently and effectively put in your uh, efforts to achieve goals. You must find some way, somehow, some way to communicate with others more reasonably, understandably, um, and gently. I see that you may go for a short trip with the family member or maybe with friends, but uh, and it's going to be a very good experience. Also, that it may happen that you have planned to go for a trip and your work pressure is so much that you will have to postpone a trip, which will make things a little disturbing for you. But wait, it will happen. It would be better if you can stop, think, give it a thought before getting into a commitment in a new relationship. Take care of that. Next sign is Scorpio. This is the month of January is one of the month, I would say, where you will be happy with the way things are turning out for you. As per your expectation, whatever you have expected out of January, yes, things are coming out. You are making new friends. You're taking up some special moment out from your time, and maybe if you're interested in taking up some uh, hobby or passion, you may feel very comfortable being with your friends in a social circle. But many a times you will see that you are getting into a very awkward situation also. If you are into business or self-employed, the time is good for you. You will be able to undertake new activities and you will improve your earning and also enhance your career. Try not to be overconfident when you're taking any work in your hand, because then some areas of your achievement. Sometimes, when you are overconfident, then you underestimate the other person or you take the work very lightly. Don't do that, because that again may cause a little hassle for you. And at the same time, do not also be very over cautious also while you are spending some money, because I see that flow of money for you is there. So you spend, God will send. That is the mantra for you. Okay. Now, investment like you're putting into real estate, I mean property or something, would be good for you. If you are confident of like from whom you are purchasing the land or a property, from a contractor, from a builder or something, if you are very much confident about him, try not to be, you know, don't show your pride, don't be proud in this thing. Instead, I would say be humble with your achievement. So if you have achieved something, it's very good. I can understand that, no, but then I do not want you to be proudy about it, because this may even reflect with your body language, which will take people away from you. You must always be grateful to your parents, your mentors, your gurus, who have helped you to reach such a status, and they have shaped you, and that is the reason why you have come so far in life. The next sign is Sagittarius. Sagittarius, before I give or say anything about you, let's understand that this first quarter of 2022 is going to be the completion of your Sadhasati. So you are just coming out of your Sadhasati period. Your relationship may get developed with people of all types, all hierarchies. In fact, you are making peaceful relationship with people now, and at the same time you are maintaining your distance also. Do not get very close to people, because then that familiarity leads to contempt. Don't go very close. You may get a long distance travel opportunity also, which is going to be successful, rewarding, and you will be very happy about it. Profitable results can be seen when you're dealing of financial dealing into your business. Your understanding of reading people, okay, may be the prime reason for your success. You have a knack of reading people, understanding them, fine, which is good. Your name, fame in the society may also increase this month, and largely due to your own social habits, good nature. Keep up to your etiquettes and good mannerism. Respect and honor will be achieved at work. In fact, I see this is a time after a long time and hard work that respect and honor is coming to you. You have been longing for a long time. You may develop an interest in astrology. That's a good sign. Okay. Some of you may even you put efforts to learn a subject, understand the subject in depth. See, these are some subjects like Reiki, numerology, all those things. It's a very, it's not very trendy. It's subject which requires, I would say, it's not everyone's cup of tea. You require a different set of mind to get into that subject. Who knows better than me? Anyway, you may also get some time to spend quality time with your friends and your associates. I would request you not to indulge into too much of alcoholic beverages, because that may have an adverse effect on your health. Keep away. As far as love, romance is concerned, you are going to find a true partner of your life. That's a good sign. Be patient, be caring, loving with your partner. Next sign is Capricorn. Now, Capricorn, again, you are into the mid phase of Sadhasati, and after April, you're getting into the third phase. Though, again, Saturn is going to retrograde and come back. But yet, you may face few challenges now, and you need to be a little careful. This could be either related to work or with your finance. You must try your level best to be polite, try to remain grounded, and keep the command over your discourse so that you do not fall into verbal combats with people. Try that there could be some important changes in your professional front also, but along with these changes there are some newer or new challenges also waiting for you. You are getting good support from your loved ones, and which will help you in you advancing in life. Keep a check on your expenses. Try to spend where it is required. No lavish spending. You may have a great interest in some research work or maybe some very mysterious sciences during this month. This is, of course, not a appropriate time for planning international trips or going to a foreign land because it is not a good time. Try to postpone if you can. Try your best to remain focused on your work to achieve your goals. Be extra cautious and try not to lend money to anyone, especially to a family member, could be immediate family member or distant family member also, and friends, because that money will not come back very easily back to you. The next sign is Aquarius. Now for Aquarius, who would be getting after April into the mid phase of Saraswati, you are going to get good financial gain during this month. Hence, try to make the most of this time since the time is favorable for finances. There can be some relationship problem with siblings, and some challenges within the family also. I would suggest you stay away from unnecessarily getting into a discussion or a gossip because that can stress you out and will also hamper your mental peace. Aggression and stress will also harm you as far as your health is concerned. See, Mars and Ketu's conjunction can give you a very sharp intelligence to make the right decision. The decision that you will take during this time could be sound, correct in all respect. However, do not be overconfident, as it is always better to practice to think before making any decision. I also see that you will be very active this month and you will have a spike of energy. So you are fully charged. Go ahead. You must try and indulge yourself into some exercises also, or where you can maybe you can maintain your fitness level. Dedicate this month to learn from your mentors, your guru, your elders, your seniors. If you are into a business, and especially if the business is related to designing, decorating, art, music, or something like that, which is the signification of Venus. So that's a good thing. The transit of Venus may also make you spend some money, but you will definitely get a good return out of it. Now, shall we talking about the last sign in the zodiac belt is the sign of Pisces. Good financial gain this month, good news. Make most of this time, save your money, and so that you increase your financial status. You are learning new things, and you're even learning the ways how to save money with the help of your friends. You may also receive some good gifts from your family, friends, and siblings. You may meet a very old friend, maybe after a long time, so it's a reunion, and spend a good time with them, which will refresh old memories, and you will be very happy sharing. Small trips with friends and siblings can rejuvenate you. You may receive help and appreciation from your boss. There are chances that you may get promotion or an increment or maybe a desired transfer. Your love life may need a respin. So it's a respin that you have to give to your love life. Hence, try to have a very candid conversation and spend quality time with your love partner. Yes, there can be some challenging moment in your marital life that might need your attention, and some harsh communication can create it can create some more challenges for you. So you need to be calm, polite, humble. Foreign travel is also seen. Investment into new projects is also there in your business. If you are a student, if you are studying, you may get admission into a foreign university, foreign country, or into a distinct learning program, which is going to definitely help you to improve your skill, and you may improve your future prospects. Good time. So, friends, this was all about the 12 Lagnas, 12 sign for the month of January, the new year. If you like the video, click on the like button, click on the notification bell icon so that next time whenever I upload a video, it comes, the notification is there in front of you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't still this video. Goodbye, signing off. Thank you.